Go ahead, though.
Whoa, okay, hold on now. Yeah, I gotta see this.
Go ahead and read it, bro.
I don't even know how to pronounce that fourth word.
Okay, it means nonsensical in Hebrew.
Okay. Okay, I see. I can read shit like this. I can't read out loud. I gotta read in silence.
Nigga, read it out loud.
How you pronounce it? How you
Read
pronounce
it
it?
out loud.
Like that word?
Low key, you can just skip the word because I don't know how to pronounce it either.
You just put in
Just
stuff you don't
say,
even.
just say not. Just replace it with nonsense or something.
The law of nonsense arithmetic. To make an additional problem in nonsense arithmetic, you don't use regular plus symbol because then the result will be wrong. Instead, use the letter U. Example 4U 4. The answer will come out with a semicolon. If a result ends with a semicolon, that means your answer is unverified and false. This isn't crazy. This is just experience calc. Really, if your result ends with a semicolon, that means your answer is unverified and false. In that case, you need to verify it. Let's take this equation: 74U 58. Added 74 and 58 will result in 132, but remember it is false and unverified, so it is 132 semicolon instead of 132. You need to reverse the semicolon, otherwise the answer will be wrong. To reverse the semicolon, you need to divide it by 100. But of course, you may ask, how do I divide? Well, you put the numbers in brackets. Example, 89 in brackets. So in this case, we would have to write down 132 times a nigga. What? Like, it's making sense, but it kind of, I see you adding bullshit. Like, it's making sense though. You're just adding bullshit. Calc is a fun way of making you do something wrong and then take the wrong thing and turn it right. That's low key what I'm saying here. Like, he's not just trying to fully put bullshit. He's trying to make it make sense at the end, but he's just throwing
Yeah,
bullshit in the middle of it. It's like
yeah.
you read the shit, you're just like, bro, what the fuck?
Read
But
it.
it is still unverified because it is not the original answer. So what do we do next? You put it in exclamation marks. So you write it down. 2 exclamation marks. 1.32. Okay. Now, what does this do? Each exclamation mark is a times 10, but we don't multiply with the times. But we don't multiply with the time symbol. We put them in brackets. Example. This shit is so... Yeah, bro, Harry, I'm about to say, I don't know what the hell I'm reading now, bro. This shit getting worse and worse. Now, I ain't gonna lie. If he figure this out, he a smart ass nigga, dude. Okay. Because each exclamation point is a times 10. We need to solve how much that will be. So because multiplying is put in the numbers in these brackets, quote unquote brackets, we'll have to put our tens and our numbers in there. Just seeing this shit, like, bro, what the Finally got a break from calc, and now I'm looking calc. Calc. This shit. Ah, this is some BS, dog. This will give us 13,200. Now, this is far from our original result from our additional problem. So we need to regulate it by adding OX, 0x. What this does is regulate the answer to a single digit. You probably ask, what does the X stand for? It's a mystery. We don't know the origin behind the X, but it is an infinite character. It can do almost anything for an equation necessary, but we will get into that later. Nigga, tell me we gonna get to that later. This nigga, bro. Yo. Okay. Yo, what's up with you, bro? Can we like not? I just want to read how bad this is, bro. Okay. Oh, where was I at? Where was I at? But we'll get into that later. But the X is what does all the heavy lifting to regulate our answer, and it is now shortened to the first number of the answer. So it is now 1 instead of 13 instead of 13,200. We now need to get it back to its original state, which is 132. And for that, we need to add the 1 unit. We need to add 1 until it becomes 132. And then multiply it by x to verify the answer. This long ass, oh my gosh. We now have our answer. 74u58 is 32. You cannot skip these steps. If you try and skip these steps and just erase the semicolon away, it will be false. Add in more invisible semicolons, and then you will have to do all those steps but 2 times. Damn. The 2 semicolons retires on Sundays. Man, what's this, bro? I know you was dying adding this in here, bro. What the So you don't have to do this if it's a Sunday. Nigga treating this shit like it's Chick-fil-A, bro. Like, what the fuck? Don't ask why. The letters have a mind of its own. Oh my gosh. The letters and symbols are conscious beings. Oh my gosh. We need Tim and Moby on this shit. Yeah, I don't think Tim and Moby can even do this shit, dog. And them niggas can do everything, but I don't know about this. Important notes. Use U instead of plus for addition. Use the code semi. Oh, no, I'm dumb. Use these brackets instead of X for multiplication. Use those brackets instead of division for division. When adding numbers, the result is unverified because the semicolon is by it. You do not need to verify results on Sundays. The fact that that's an important note, like that last one. The way subtraction works in nonsense arithmetic is a little confusing to say the least. To subtract numbers instead of using the minus symbol, we use the letter Z. Let's solve the subtraction problem. 50Z on 150Z, 50. This problem will give us 100. Now semicolons in subtraction mean it's unverified. So the 50 in the state of gone and here at the same time. Because the semicolon is saying that the number that has been subtracted isn't verified as gone. Now we need to go through the same steps as addition to verify this number. But instead, with inverse operations. So now this nigga added, okay, he added inverse operations now. Like, what?
I gotta write more down.
This
It's
nigga
not
added
done yet.
inverse operations. Yo, this shit gonna be interesting, dude. How far are you? Like, how far are you trying to go with this?
I still gotta I still gotta do the multiplication, the divisions, the fractions, and fucking I gotta do a lot. I
Dog.
gotta write down a lot.
Yeah,
And then
I
after
don't
I'm
like
done,
inverse operations, bro. I don't.
so after I'm done with this, I'm gonna make a website on it.
Bro, what's like you? Nah, I ain't gonna lie. How bored you gotta be to do some shit like this, dude? You,
So
you just want to get your get back or something, bro.
I do. The amount of time you done confused me when I was peaceful as hell in the kitchen. This nigga came in with some confusing shit that I could never understand a day of my life. I'm gonna do the same thing back.
Nah, you gotta let us know if you saw that, cause you would have had me. Like, I would be like, alright, bro, you got it, bro, you got it, you good. I'm like, you got it all the
But
way, bro.
yeah,
Say, guys, I'm scared. What?
basically the letters and symbols are conscious.
Said this will ruin me. Nah, my teacher put this on a paper, dog. I'm walking out. Like I'm dropping out that class. I'm dropping out that
The
class. Like you
letters,
got it, man.
but the letters and symbols are conscious. Oh yeah,
So
and
they're
I also
conscious beings.
I forgot to mention the letters are replaced with the actual symbols on leap years.
Oh my
On a
gosh,
leap year.
bro. If this nigga
That's
solves
the only.
this, he might be one of them ones. I ain't gonna lie. He might be one of them ones. Harry, I'm
So
dropping for facts. I'm about to say
reading,
I'm dropping out of school too. I'm cool. Say,
so
can we move on?
reading
Yeah,
all this,
this shit mind fucking,
reading
bro.
reading all this, right? So you
Okay.
must be this nigga saying.
Uh,
Anyway, um,
Uh, did I
what?
did I intrude in a conversation?
No, nigga.
Harry, you seen it? Yo, nigga, I'm not even that close. I don't even tell my niggas business like that. Yo,
Anyway,
all right. Yeah, he said, "So the trash beat." When we finish up, wait, what you put us over? Oh, this is more to it. Is it?
so if I were to say 4 plus 4, this is how you would
Talk about
solve
good
it
night.
in that math. This is how you would solve it in that math if you wanted to do 4 plus 4.
Harry said no. He get tortured right. I ain't gonna lie, bro. He just finished school.
So 4U4 is 8, right? But it got the semicolon, so you need to
So it's not.
verify
It
it.
needs to be verified. It's not verified,
All
right?
right. So 8 divided by 100, 8 divided by 100 is zero point
Wait.
zero 0.08. You gotta put it in the exclamation marks, and each exclamation mark is a 10. So you gotta multiply that, and it's 640,000. And then 640,000 plus x 0x is 6. And then 6 plus 2 is 8 because you gotta add it back. And yeah, you get 8.
After three, I'm just stumped. Like I'm stumped all the way. I'm stumped. Like 640,
Yeah,
640 times u times zero plus zero.
I made I made
He said
something
there's a
atrocious.
flaw. Nah, after three, you could. It's just some BS, bro. He throwing that shit in there, bro.
So now, so now, this what I'm gonna do, right?
Okay,
I'm gonna put you through a test.
putting me through a test.
Mhm.
All right.
Now, I'm gonna give you three addition problems,
This is about to be the
addition,
worst edition problems ever, though. Okay.
and
He said good night. He got this bitch.
and
Oh
if
my
you can,
god.
if you can solve the three addition problems, you will get a song dedicated to you. That is not a diss.
The fact that he had to add that is crazy.
It's not a diss. You wanna do it, bro?
I mean, honestly, I got nothing to lose, bro. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it.
Yeah, all right.
Oh man, this about to be some
All right.
bullshit, bro. Oh my gosh.
So it's gonna get harder and harder as it
You
progresses.
didn't tell me that. Oh, okay. All right.
So it's gonna turn from addition to equations to just straight bullshit.
This shit feel like Baldi's basics, bro. What the fuck?
And if you fail, um, three diss tracks in the album.
Th- Yo.
All right.
This nigga's sick, bro. This nigga's sick.
Damn. All right, there.
Uh, I need to see like the rules on like the equation again. I kind of
Now you gotta memorize. No, I'm just kidding.
but it's Pemdaz. Hey, you're right though. Pemdaz, you are right. You are right.
All right. So remember that the U is addition.
Okay, it's just the addition symbol.
Mm-hmm.
So hold on, restart. Oh, Harry, you back? I thought you was going for. It's crazy though. We watched a scare video with nobody leaving, but Math tape turn niggas away. Harry, so he said for this problem here, the U's are just addition symbols. So this is basically saying 12 plus 6 plus 47 plus 16. That's it.
So
Is that it,
what's
or
12?
is there more to that? Because I don't want to lie.
Oh, nigga, there's more.
There's more. Oh shit. See, yeah,
All right, so
we gotta go through that equation again. I ain't gonna lie.
what's 12 plus 6?
18.
Right.
So you break it down,
What's
then
40?
so a new equation after. I'm going by
What's
two by two.
47 plus 16?
So 47 plus
What's
16 would
40?
be 47 plus 6. What's called? Almost said the wrong. Almost said the wrong shit. 64.
64. So now we got.
Oh shit, 63. My fault. My fault. Yeah, I was like, no, I was off. 63. My fault.
All right.
Okay.
So it's 18 plus
That's
it's
breaking
18
down
plus
to another
63.
addition problem. All right. 73.
18 plus 63.
That'll be 81.
Okay. Damn, my shit ass.
Skinny ass 8, nigga.
All right.
Alright,
All
so
right,
now
you got it,
I
baby.
only know this. This is unverified. But I don't know how to like continue from here. This is where like I gotta memorize that part.
Okay. To
So
reverse the
say
semicolon, you need to divide it by 100. That's the first step.
okay.
So what's 80 times 81 divided by 100?
80 oh so it'll be 0.081, right?
Why you asking me, nigga?
I'm asking you,
I ain't
like
helping.
it's
I ain't.
0.081 because we're dividing it by 100.
All right, so
Harry said, hold on time. I think the multiplication is after this part, Harry. He said timeout. Said stop it. What's up?
you said what?
I said point zero
Zero.
eight one. So I want to learn.
Okay.
Yeah. He's still.
All right,
He said he's still going. This how the professors be moving in class, bro.
so we got point eight. We got point. What the? All right, so we got point 81, right?
He said I give up.
So now
I guess we just gotta learn quick, bro. All right. So after this, so
it's
it's
still
still
unverified.
unverified.
So you
So
put it in
exclamation
exclamation
marks.
marks,
So
and each
each
exclamation mark
10. Okay.
is times 10.
Okay.
Uh, I really shouldn't be helping you at all, but it's
Nah,
the only
I'm not
help you
gonna
can
lie,
get.
bro. I was not gonna remember that equation shit at all, bro. You say you getting cooked if you show this in the university? Yeah, dog, I ain't gonna lie, it's crazy. All right, let's slow it down a little bit. All right, so that's two exclamation marks. So 10 times 10 is 100. So both sides. Are we? Hold on. Are we multiplying it to the decimal number too?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You said there's a big flaw in this. What's the flaw? What's the flaw here? Is it this step specifically? Because this is where like I get stumped too. Cause like, where the fuck do these exclamation marks come from? Nigga just throwing in symbols like this shit. There's some variables like I hate math sometimes, dog. I hate. Oh my gosh, niggas throwing random variables, bro. And it's not even letters. It's symbols. I hate math, dog. He said, 81,100 doesn't translate to 81 divided by 100.
What?
He's saying the division problem we just did before that, it said it doesn't translate to 81 divided by 100.
Oh yeah, that's
He says it's a short form for square root.
say that again.
He said it's a short form for square root.
We gonna keep it anyways. Go make nonsense. If we keep it, it's gonna make less sense if we keep it that way. That's the point of this.
Yeah, I'm just
Supposed to
destined
make
to
sense.
fail. I'm just destined to fail.
It's supposed to have like 20,000 flaws. That's the beauty of it.
I'm just destined to fail. He said no.
Yes, nigga. Yes.
Oh my.
All
All
right.
right. I mean, if you do the math
All
as
right. That's all.
that, it's gonna be a fucked up answer. But all right. So, ooh, excuse me. All right, let's do 100 times. I don't want to use a calculator, but I mean it's not a hard question either. But then we multiply by 100 after that. Ain't that the right way to go about it, or do we multiply? No, I'm overthinking it. I'm overthinking it. I'm overthinking it. So, 2 tens, 100 times point 081. Why do my screens go off? Times 100 again. Unless I'm missing a step, is that how it go?
What
Say am I missing a step? Is that how it go? So if we do the math as that, your number is
is it?
284 and 78 or 0.78.
200.
This nigga don't even know what he talking.
No, because I'm no, because you saying the answer too fast, and my brain trying to comprehend it.
He said that flaw
All
by
right, wait.
itself rules the equation.
There is no. Shut the fuck up, Harry.
I think this nigga just spewing bullshit though on purpose.
That's the whole. That's the point. That's the point, Harry.
He's just
Please.
spewing bullshit on purpose. I'm not gonna lie.
All right, what's the answer?
Oh shit. I ain't trying to think, bro. I didn't think I was gonna do some freaking math tonight. I covered 810.
810.
810. I'm a junior in college that's taking pre-calc, calc, and physics. Do not tell me I'm crazy. This nigga feel like he Harry done been through it, huh, bro? Yeah, pre-calc, calc, and physics. I mean, physics fun though, but that shit is
All right, 810. You got
calc
810.
is not fun at all. 810, yeah.
All right, so now
Physics was not fucking
we need
fun.
a. So now we need to add it.
And these are the okay. So we got an addition symbol, and then we got a multiplication symbol. Is that right?
No, we don't do multiplication symbols.
Oh, okay.
That's ass.
I gotta remember what the X stands for. I gotta remember what that stands for again.
You don't know what it stands for. It's a mystery. Remember, it is an infinite. It's an infinite all being symbol.
What the fuck kind of spiritual shit is this?
So because of the x, this is now reduced to 8.
So what the fuck do you mean a triangle equals delta? Like what? How the fuck am I supposed to get the derivative from delta? Sorry, physics. Hey, at least you done for like a few months, bro. You don't gotta worry about that shit for a little bit. At least.
So 810. I gotta keep that in my head. I gotta keep 810 in my head.
8, 10. I'm done for 2 weeks. Damn, 2 weeks? It's not even that long though. Damn. Oh, you're in
Okay,
summer classes too?
810.
Yeah, I'm doing summer classes too. I ain't gonna lie.
Right, the answer was 81. Okay, so 810,
Mm.
which is it's now 8 because it is 0x. So now you gotta add it until it's 81. You gotta add to the 8 until it's 81.
I gotta add to the 8 until it's 81.
Yeah. So it's basically, yeah.
Is that supposed to be an exclamation mark? What's that? No.
That's a question mark, nigga.
What the fuck is that? Nigga, what the fuck is that? That's a Z.
I draw like that. Shut up. Shut up. I draw like that, nigga. Leave me alone. I draw my shit like that, bro. Leave
It's
me
a
alone.
two.
Leave me alone. That's how I always that's how I always do it, bro. Leave me
He
alone.
said, "Never try to invent anything. Stick to music, bro." Oh, bro, I can't. I never seen a nigga. All right, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. All right, so
Five niggas. There. Shit look weird as fuck.
he said, "Now you make me do inverse." He said, "Fuck no." All right,
That's for subtraction.
so the question mark is subtraction.
No, the inverse is only for subtraction. You
Inverse
don't
is
gotta
only for
do.
subtraction. Okay.
So
So what does the question mark represent here? Is just what he said.
So it's basically
So
eight
basically,
plus
okay.
one
A plus what
equal 81.
equals 81.
Yeah.
Okay. This motherfucker doesn't understand inverse. Yeah, I mean, he probably do. Shit, I don't even remember inverse. I ain't barely. Shit. Um, my fault. 70, 72. Or not, my bad, 73. Tripping.
So it is now 81.
Right.
You done. You done. You verified it.
Hey. Alright, now this. Imagine
I
if
ain't
we
help
had
you no
no
more.
key to like the like equation. I'd be fucking cooked. Oh my gosh.
I ain't helping you no more now. You on your own.
See, come on, bro. You know I don't know. You know I don't know the rest, bro.
You can tell me to go back to the document.
Oh, you just not gonna like tell me what to do no more.
Yeah.
Inverse when you take the total subtract to the given variable and then you get the hidden variable. Oh. Yeah, I haven't done it in a minute though, but I do remember those.
All right.
Those
All right,
were
saw
pretty
that.
annoying.
Saw that.
Is this the same question?
No.
It's the same question.
No.
Oh, okay.
It's number two. It's number
I was
two.
for to say, nigga, where did 150 if? I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, hold on, man. I was really gonna say you pull that shit out of nowhere, nigga. Okay, all right. Okay, I don't feel that crazy no more. Damn, that was the first question, y'all. He said, "Why are we square rooting?" I'm done.
That's not a fucking square
It's
root.
it's supposed to be a bracket, basically a parentheses. He just has different brackets. He said, "Nameless it is." I'm about to say, like, he's obviously this is satire, but
This
like
this is this obviously it's a fucking square root, Harry. But in this version of
in
math,
his,
it's not
yeah, I'm
a
about to
square
say,
root.
in this situation, it's not. That's why I'm seeing it as. Yo, Harry getting PTSD, dog. He said I'm crashing out.
Matter of fact, you know what? Let me give you
Bro,
something
this is
harder.
what math do to niggas, bro. And niggas don't like math. I don't like
You
math.
know what? Let me give you something harder.
Yeah, it don't make sense. I'm not gonna lie, but why you? Oh, let me shut up. Said this number will never, and I mean never.
All right, saw that game.
What the fuck? Okay, 950 plus 20, 970, and then Z.
Mhm.
Fuck. Go back to the go back to the shit. I need to know what Z is.
See is subtraction.
Z is subtraction. Okay, now it's nigga add subtraction. Okay. Oh my god, he said I'm done. Oh, I hate math, dog. All right, 970 minus 150.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think I was gonna write it down, but it'll be 820.
Hey,
gotta solve this. Oh, I did do PEMDAS. Fuck, I did it wrong. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Scratch all that. My fault. Scratch all that. Scratch. That's lead. Oh, I did. Oh. Yeah, you're right, bro. I was like, damn. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I was gonna make it so hard. All right, let's. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. That's the simplest.
I
That's the
remember.
most.
Remember, U is addition, Z is subtraction, the exclamation points are times 10, and the brackets is multiplication.
All right, let's. So it's 100. Is that point eight or is that just eight? Like
No, the exclamation points are times 10.
yeah. So I'm saying is the number eight. Is that just eight by itself or is it point eight?
It's just 8.
There's eight. He said so. Question is each exclamation point just 10 or is it just 10 for all four? No, no. Each one is 10. So it'll be 10 times 10 times 8 times 10 times 10. That's yeah. All of them are tens each. So we got 100 times 8, and then we got times 100. Harry, did that answer your question? A thousand times 8. Yeah. So do 100 times 100 and then times 8. Nah. Nah.
What?
Here, if that's the case, it would be if you're multiplying both of them before you. See now, damn, I want to hear Harry's input on this shit, bro. Cause what the fuck? Are you multiplying the 200s together, like from both sides, before you get to the 8, or are you multiplying them from left to right?
It's it's 100. No, wait, what? 10 times 10 times 8 times 10 times 10. So you know what? Let me
Said
let me make it
regardless,
let me
it's
make
eight
it simple.
thousand.
Look, I'm gonna make it simpler. I'm gonna make it simpler. Don't worry, y'all. Make it simpler. Watch me make it simpler. Right there.
Wait, Harry, you said 8,000, bro. You talking about I lied? I'm about to say, yo, I was like, yo, I got 80,000. I'm like, yo, am I tripping? I thought I was bro, I thought I was a dumbass. I'm like,
Right.
yo.
So
Oh,
you
bro,
gotta
Harry,
say
you did
two.
have me scared. I'm like, yo, ain't no way I'm wrong. Okay, whole
All right,
time.
so
Okay,
you
I'm
said
over here like, okay, so it is 80,000. Okay, cool. Oh, he switched the
okay.
shit now. Oh my gosh.
No, it's the same. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's
Okay.
the same thing.
He said, hold on, I'm
All
not.
right.
So wait, we it's eight. Not it can't be 8,000, right? It gotta be 80,000.
What the hell is y'all doing?
He said, I'm not stopped.
Shit,
He said, let me do this. All right, bro. He really trying to figure this shit out, bro. He really trying to figure this shit out.
nigga.
I think we good though with this. I need paper. I might too.
So y'all got 80K. Y'all got 80,000.
Yeah.
All right. So now you gotta add that to 10 times 2.
So add that to 20.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's the I forgot what was the sum of the other part for the front of the equation or front of the problem? What was that? We can now get to that. It says stop.
Nigga, no, you can't.
So let me do this. You really trying to figure this shit out? Do you
You
want to?
got it.
Do you want to see the whole problem for a little
Nigga,
bit so you can like take a picture or something?
Ro- nigga, Rowbell was supposed to be originally sold as.
He said
I'm
restart.
being
Bro,
generous.
not gonna
I'm
lie.
being
If
I'm
we restart, we're gonna be here all day, bro. This is our second question out
no,
of three.
I'm being generous that I'm letting the chat help Rowbell.
This should feel like
You're not
family
taking over. You're
feud.
not.
Oh,
You're
I'm
not
like
taking
phoning
over.
a friend or something, bro. Scroll out so I can
You're
see
not.
it.
You're not
Yeah,
taking.
zoom out a little bit. Okay.
Well, Bell still got to stall this man. If he take over, he getting three disses in the album.
They got me at this point, bro. It's crazy. All right, 80K plus 20. 80,000, 20.
80,020.
Yeah.
So how would wait? I'm slow. I'm being slow right now.
Pika
Let
says
me process.
Z's. Yeah, Pika, I ain't gonna lie. This shit would have put me to sleep in class, like real life.
Oh, right. Yeah.
This shit about to be so
Wait.
off. My gosh.
Some telling me this wrong.
Some telling me it's wrong too. I'm not gonna lie.
80,000. 80,000. This is 80,000, right?
Yeah.
So it's 20 at the end, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
What,
Okay.
what, what part do you think was wrong?
No, because I was scared that
Oh, the format you was typing it out in,
I
or like,
yeah.
Harry, you stuck? What,
All
what,
right.
what part you stuck on? The same problem as us, or what? All right.
So y'all got that solved. Y'all got this solved. Now y'all gotta solve 950 plus 20 subtracted by 150.
I need to know what to do at the semicolon. Oh, you're at that part. So when you got the semicolon, that means it's not verified, and you know that. But yeah, yeah. I don't know. I got to see this shit again. I got to see the key again. Man, thank God for the teachers that used to give us keys on the test, bro, because I was not gonna remember the equations. But it's verified. So you gotta put the two. Wait, nigga. This should make me mad just reading this shit, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man.
All right. Yeah, I need to be solving this damn 950 plus 20 subtracted by 150.
He said, "Hold on, go back, please. Go back for like 10 seconds if you can. Screenshot it if you need to or something." Yo, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Harry, you got it? So we got 950 plus 20, so 970. And then minus 150. I'm about to say, what the hell you just write? You say you stuck again? I know, bro. I can't do all this shit for too long, niggas. We on. I swear this is probably the longest segment of the stream, bro. We struggling in math, dude. You said go back one more time for 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Bro, I'm
Nah,
telling you,
it's too
this shit is
lenient.
confusing, bro.
Lenient,
This shit is confusing, bro.
lenient, bro. You should have took a screenshot.
No, like
You should have took a
he really trying to he's really trying to solve this, bro. Seriously,
nigga. You supposed to be trying this shit first of all.
nigga, I'm trying. All right, bro.
All right.
950. Yeah, I'm about to say this.
Three,
Say give me the help. You said I'm
two,
trying to give me the help.
one.
Harry, screenshot, bro. Oh, I didn't even. Damn, that was quick as fuck. I wish you can go back to stream on Twitch like YouTube, but it's kind of dumb how they can't do that. But 970 minus 150, so I got 820.
820.
Yeah,
Wait.
and then this minus that. What the fuck? We going negative now? We're going negative? Alright.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot to mention with negatives.
Oh shit. You bro, this was
When a
not in the,
number
this shit was never. I ain't read nothing about no
when
negatives.
the when the number is negative, it's double the amount.
For the sum?
Yeah. So if I said -10, then it's doubled, so it's 20. Actually, wait. Doubled is
You said you messed up. It's 820 U. So he's saying he's basically saying it's supposed to be 820 plus 80,020.
no.
That's what he's
Y'all
saying.
see that
But I
subtract?
said the
Y'all see that
Z, the
subtraction
Z's in
difference?
between both of them. That's why he put Z.
All right. So when the number negative, you gotta add it by 20. You gotta add 20 to it,
He
man.
said, "Bro, I'm right." At this point, I don't fucking know, bro. He said, "I'm not tripping." Bro.
What's the answer, nigga? What's
All right.
120 minus 80,020?
He said, "I'm doing this shit right the fuck now." Okay. So you said it only doubles when you get the sum of it, not before you subtract it.
If a number has a negative,
Mm.
you gotta add 20 to it.
Oh, you add 20 to it. Okay, okay, okay.
Mm.
All right, so I'll be 79,200. Negative 79,200.
All right. You said
And you said,
negative.
yeah, negative 79,000. He said it's a fucking U. It's a U. I'm not crazy. It's a
That's
U.
a no. That's an arrow. That's an arrow. That's an arrow. It just looks like a. It just looks like a U.
Are you talking about the ones that are pointing down for the sums every time? Is that what you're talking about? Harry going
That's what.
crazy, bro.
79,000.
I said 79,200. And so when you say add 20, are we, since it's negative, are we taking away 20?
I don't know. You figure that out.
You said add 20. So we're going to do 79,000 or negative 79,180.
180.
Yep.
If I'm pretty sure that's still a negative. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Mm,
it'll still be negative, but just we're taking away instead of like actually adding to the negative.
yeah. And it's two.
Yeah, it was 200, then you just take 20 from that.
So
180.
okay.
This shit, like, what the fuck?
All right. So now y'all got that. You're gonna have to move to a whole nother board, by the way. What? Get your fake ass on
Said
here.
answer by FaceTime. Yo, he calling. Harry, this is his first time ever calling me on the phone. This is the first time I ever seen his face live. This nigga called me. He has a notebook with all the equations down. I'm like, yo, he's so serious. Yep.
I am not tripping, dude. I swear to God, I'm not tripping.
Bro.
I am so dialed in this right now.
All right, so
There's no way.
you still think it's a U?
I know it's a U.
Okay, so wait, why are you thinking it's a U?
So when you do the math, okay?
Okay.
950 U, 20Z, 50Z, going into the explanation bullshit. Then you're U plus the plus 20, right?
Hmm.
Just doing the math by itself right there, it is a positive 820U.
Hmm.
Because, put it this way, if you combine the two negatives, you're still getting negative 170. Okay? Then you do 950 minus negative, or so minus 170, it's still going to end up being 820.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. I see that. I see that.
I am not tripping about this.
I
I've
I can.
spent too many years doing this fucking shit.
I see that. I see where you come from with that. Okay.
But
Okay.
now I'm stuck after the explanation point trying to figure out the.
You trying to verify?
Yeah, trying to verify.
Okay. Yeah, look what you got us doing, man. You got us fucking stressing, dude.
All
God. This might be on. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Never do this shit again, bro. This is the last day I'm doing this shit with you, bro.
So I need to get to the verified part. So after the explanation part, so I don't know what.
Hold on, wait. Now
So
let's just
the
show
answer.
it. Show it so I can just take a picture. I could probably send it to her.
All right. So the answer negative
And then scroll down too, so
79,000.
I have that part.
All right. All right, man.
It's not negative, nameless.
So it's positive. So it's okay. Okay, it's
He's
positive.
saying so it's
Yes.
positive. So the sum is positive for now, or at right now.
The sum is 80,840.
80,840. So instead of we're just going negative, we're going up. Okay. I was confused when it went negative. I'm like, yo, what the hell am I supposed to do? Names,
All right.
it seemed like you don't even know what you're doing.
What you
Can
mean?
we please go back to the key?
Yeah, go back to
I
the key real quick.
I'm like on meth right now.
All right, we gotta verify it. We gotta verify it.
I just go
So
down and like scroll down a little bit. Hold on. All right. Hopefully that's enough. I'm about to send it to you.
I'm gonna do all right. So if you verifying it, that's
Okay. I'm getting this done. I'm gonna take like a 20 minute hiatus to make sure I get this shit done. I'll be back. I'll send you a picture.
I bet. Yo.
all right.
Yo, niggas are fucking locked. Oh my gosh.
All right. You know what, Harry? I'm gonna just send the document to you.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. You might as well.
I'm
You
gonna
might
just
as
send the
well,
document.
bro. This, Pika, are you even here? Like, are you even listening to this shit? I wouldn't blame you if you left. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. This shit is hell. Yo, that's a crazy gift, dog.
All right. This nigga Harry.
Oh my god. I'm thinking we're supposed to be watching some other shit. Nigga, we doing math equations at like at 11 p.m. I ain't gonna lie, this shit fun though.
All right.
Loki made me miss math. Weirdly and oddly enough, I don't know why. All right, so fuck. Maybe I gotta go through the pictures I just took because I gotta remember what those parentheses mean. All right, so this is where we put the exclamation marks around it, right?
Uh,
Harry also said accept his access for like the document too when you done.
look, I don't feel like doing all that. I'm just sending you screenshots.
He said he finna just send you screenshots. He talking about bruh, yeah. At least ain't too much to send through. Important notes. You gotta leave that shit out, bro. Nigga leaving the last part that don't even matter, bro.
All right. So we're gonna look at these. The brackets, it means division.
Oh, those brackets mean division.
So it's 80,840 divided by 100.
I swear those meant fuck. Alright, so they're all division, you said?
80,840 divided by 100.
Like I'm looking at it here. The exclamation points don't come up here. Am I tripping?
And it go was 80,840 divided by 100.
You sound country as hell. Alright. uh, nah, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta. Oh, I'm not trying to think too much, dude. 808.4.
All right. That do not look like a 4.
The 8 just look lonely.
All right. So now you gotta.
We're on the
All right.
bottom part.
This where it come in.
Okay, 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 okay. My gosh. Only 2/3 done, bro. I can't believe it. This
All
last
right.
question might be some bullshit, man. Oh my gosh. Alright, tens each, so it'll be 100 times 808.4 times 100 again. What the fuck? This shit don't even feel. The sum don't even like feel like the sum. I gotta be tripping. Okay, nigga, 8 million. 8 million 84. I got
8 million.
8 million 840,000.
Wait, what?
I got 8 million
Eight.
8
Mm-hmm.
million 84,000. My bad. Not 840.
Eight
Eight
million
million
eighty four thousand.
and 84,000.
So
No, no, no. It's in the wrong. It's not 84. 84,000. So A0. Oh my god.
what
Nigga.
the fuck?
So look. 8, comma, 084 and 000. There, yeah. There you go. This nigga put the 4.
Okay.
Alright.
So now we are we added to yeah, okay. So eight.
Nigga, what the fuck is
So
that?
we we added to this, right? So now it's shortened to just 8.
Uh, so it just simplifies everything.
Yeah. And now gotta open it. What the fuck?
Fuck a rectangle
Why
line
is it
shit.
spinning? What the fuck? All right. So now that we just got 8, now we need to add it until it's
Until it's 8
what's our
million
answer?
84.
No, until it's
Until it's
until
80
it's
80,200 or
80 80,840. Yeah.
oh, the original first last sum. Okay. So is it 80,840?
Hmm.
Okay. Plus the question mark 80,840. I mean 80,000 uh 832.
Mm, okay.
My brain fried, dog. Shit.
All right, you done, bro. You done, bro.
For real?
Now, now we going. Now we gotta fact check it.
Oh,
We gotta.
hey,
If y'all
bros.
got it.
The moment of truth, bro. Let's see, bro. I wonder what your answer for to be Harry, though, because this is gonna be interesting.
So 950.
All right.
Wait, is Harry done yet?
He said, "Look at DMs." You sent it to Namus or me? Check your DMs in case. Oh, he ain't sent nothing. Let me see.
Nigga, why you ain't send it to me and I'm the one screen?
Let me see what you got.
Send that shit to me, bro.
Oh, okay. So he got the same. The 8,840,000. Okay.
Nigga, send it to me.
Yeah, send it to him.
Okay.
He got the same thing. We got the same thing.
Okay.
Yo, this man is locked, dog. He's locked. Oh my gosh. Never would I thought we would lock into some shit like this. What the hell? He said he sent it.
All right.
Oh, there you go.
See if y'all right. 950
Okay.
plus 20 minus 150,
820.
and then it's subtracted, right? Okay, yeah. So
Yeah.
subtracted by 10 times 10 times 8
What the fuck, bro?
times 10 times 10, and then that's plus 10 times 20. It just fucked me up. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm about to
I
say,
gotta redo
damn, it
that.
was right there at
I
that.
gotta do
It
that
was
whole
right
shit.
there, bro.
950 plus 20 subtracted by 150.
So Namus, you did it
I
wrong.
feel like I
Which part he did
feel
wrong?
like I yeah.
Yeah, combined like terms.
950 950 plus 20 plus 150.
Oh, we subtracted
Wait, no,
150.
that's
We
minus.
subtracting, yeah.
Fuck.
This nigga,
Bro, why did I have to mess up on the
nigga,
last part?
nigga, you
I just
made
had
this,
to
bro.
mess
You
up
made
on the
this. How you
last
not
one.
know this, bro? You made this, bro.
No, I do. I just fuck you. I know this. Shut up. Shut the fuck
Yo,
up.
I'm crying, bro. This nigga don't even know his own shit.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Imagine it's the first day your professor confused as fuck. Like, nigga, what you supposed to be helping me? There you go. Is that with
All
plus
right.
22?
Well, shit, it's safe in the negatives. Fuck. Oh,
Wait,
wait, y'all added it,
yeah, I'm about to say
right?
we added it, so it was like negative 79,180. Oh, Harry, you're still adding the 80,000.
So,
He's still adding
okay, you
80.
know what?
Okay, so I guess we got both.
I'm gonna just,
Like we both did it differently, but we got to the same point. So I guess it don't matter.
okay,
So
so
tell me to put my
I'm
equation
gonna
in.
just copy. Yeah, I'm gonna just copy what this nigga got
Yeah,
here.
you might as
So
well.
that's 950 plus 20 minus, what was it, 80,000, right?
You do the 150 yet?
With 100 times 8 times. That was 80,000, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was 80,000. So,
Zero Bell. What's up, Harry?
okay, so 950.
He said tell
Fuck,
him.
I put in
He said.
950. Nigga.
Hey, he sent you a DM. He said he sent you a DM too.
Okay, 950 okay, thank you. Fuck. 8,800, and y'all got 80,008.
Hey, look, we all got to the same point at the end, bro. I'm not even tripping. Got to the same point at the end.
So that
No,
whole
no, no, no.
equation,
It's 80,000, not 8,000. It's 80,000.
the calculator saying 8,000. Y'all put 80. Y'all was wrong.
Okay,
Unless
wait, wait.
I did something
That's the
wrong. Let me
multiplication,
let me
right? That's the
retype this.
multiplication problem, right? The 10 times 10
So
times.
950 minus 170 plus 80,000 plus 20. That's 80,800. But you just added a 40 to it.
What? Hold on, nigga. Where's my answer at? Hold on. My answer is okay. So my answer was 80,840. You say you were the closest.
Hmm.
What'd you get, Harry? Wait, what does this say on the paper? I gotta look at that. He got the young boy playing. He got
All
18.
right.
Wow.
Well, y'all both was wrong. So y'all got an A on the first problem and an F. Y'all got a big fat ass F on the second problem. Now it's time for the third problem.
Nick says, "Shut up, nameless."
It's time for y'all third problem.
At this point, I'm not even gonna dwell on some shit like that. You didn't know what you were doing.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Shut up. Yes, I did. 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 Shut the fuck
Yo,
up. Yes, I
you
did.
said I had to correct you. Now I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like dead ass, bro. Like you had me when you was confused. I was confused. I'm like, what?
Shut up, bitch.
He
Fuck
says
you.
your equation. He said not corrected. Okay, Harry, this level's gonna be some bullshit. I ain't gonna lie.
You know
I'm
what?
not dwelling too much
You
in the
know, just
past,
for that.
bro. This shit finna stress me out. My head already low key hurt.
And you know what? You know what? Just to be an asshole, after you solve all that, you got another two equations to add
No,
that to.
no, 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 no.
The amount of no's is the amount of equations you're gonna get
Bro,
added to.
come
Let's do it
on,
again.
bro. Explain that shit.
Get this shit out of my face before I get mad.
I've been doing this shit for the past hour, bro.
Mind you, it's gonna be worse for me. I'm gonna make it worse for my brother.
Man, do your worst, man. Don't do it with me.